Hey, my name's Mitch. Today we're going to learn Old Town Road. Now this is the main intro. It has 2 notes at a time. So if you'd like an easier version, check out my easy version of this song that only uses 1 string at a time. So we're going to start on the 4th fret of the low E string and the 5th fret of the G string, and we're going to play those at the same time. I'm playing with my pick and this middle finger right here, so I'm going to play that twice. After that, I move to the 2nd fret on the A string and the 2nd fret on the B string, and I play that twice. Then I move to the 2nd fret on the low E string and keep my 2nd fret on the B string. And then after that, keep the B string, 2nd fret on the B string the same, and I play the low E string. So again, that's this, 4th fret and 5th, 2nd on the A and 2nd on the B, 2nd on the low E and 2nd on the B, and then open E with the 2nd fret on the B. And at full speed, it's like this. And you can pretty much play that riff with the whole song. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below and check out some more videos. Thanks.